With Slido seamlessly integrated in Webex, you now have powerful live polling and Q&A capabilities at your fingertips, right there in your meeting. In this video, we'd love to walk you through how to set it up and use it. Let's dive in. Before you get started, make sure that Slido is approved and enabled in Webex by your system administrator. Update your Webex to the latest version, and please ask your meeting attendees to do the same. Once that is taken care of, schedule a meeting, launch it, and click the Apps icon here at the bottom. Pick Slido from the sidebar and open it. Here's where you can set everything up as the host of the meeting. There are many poll types to choose from, so let's just create a quick word cloud poll to kick off the meeting. Your poll is saved instantly, so you can either launch it right away or go back to create more. To ask multiple questions at once, for example, to collect feedback at the end, pick Survey from the list of polls. Now that our polls are ready, let's move over to the Q&A tab. Q&A is disabled by default, but this time we want to allow meeting attendees to send questions, so let's enable it. If you'd like to review people's questions before they go live for everyone else, you can turn on moderation in the Review tab. This can be especially helpful at larger meetings. If you need to collect questions ahead of time, open the hamburger menu on the left side, copy the link to Slido, and share it with your team along with the passcode. And now, we're all set. When the meeting starts and other people join, Slido will be comfortably waiting for them in the sidebar. When it's time to activate the first poll, just click the green launch button next to it. Down here, you have the option to show or hide the results, close voting, or deactivate the poll when it's time to move on. If you're a more spontaneous type, you can easily create a poll during the meeting itself. Just type in your question and launch it right away. You can see all the incoming questions in the Q&A tab. People can ask questions using their name, but also switch to anonymous. They can also upvote other people's questions so that the most relevant ones rise to the top. If you've enabled moderation, open the Review tab and approve or dismiss the incoming questions. When you start answering a question, highlight it so that everyone is on the same page. When you're ready to move on to the next one, mark it as answered and it will go straight into the archive. Now that your meeting's over and you've collected many useful insights, you might want to export your poll results and questions. Just head over to slido.com, click Login in the top right corner, and log in with your Webex account. Open your meeting and then click on the Analytics tab. You'll discover an overview of the whole meeting, and you'll be able to export any data you might need. And that's it. A quick note, if you have a paid Webex account, you will have access to all features of Slido. It's available for Webex meetings as well as Webex webinars. You can find more detailed instructions at community.slido.com. We hope that with Slido and Webex, your meetings will grow more and more interactive, inclusive, and insightful.